awesome video. And yeah, I think it'd be cool to take a video just right now because I got this new editing app and you'll see awesome sound effects like or maybe or this one. So it would be super cool. I think you, and yeah, we've already put up the Christmas tree. Christmas. Yeah, I can't wait until Christmas comes. I'm going to be so happy. I was going to do a game of Terraria, but yeah. But wait, how would it work? Look, I might be able to take it. How does that look? It doesn't look too bad. I have to use this in my mouth. Hey guys, yeah, I probably might take a video, but right now, yeah, not right so. But I'm not playing. Just saying, not playing. And yeah, so I think this will be an awesome video. I just told you said that there will be all my videos will be much more awesomer. Much better. Sorry for my grammar. And yeah, because of those sound effects, they will be so cool. And my selfie sent the whole way out. There we go. And yeah, I think it'd be really cool. Sorry if you can't see me that well. It's probably yeah. Jeez. But hopefully I don't hit anything. And yeah, I think it would just be really cool, you know. And so there's going to be awesome noises. Tonight I might take a Terraria video. And for Christmas, I'm wishing for like a $50 camera. I'm going to be taking awesome videos. Because it has this like little screen on the bottom. You know, I'm able to attach it onto my bike. Yeah. Oh, we have an insane driveway. It is mean. If you go out there, right down, there's a giant hill. And yeah, it's pretty mean. You do not want to go down there running full speed because I have, and I've really hurt myself. It's going to be awesome. And yeah, I think that'd just be really cool because that's what I'm wishing for Christmas. Hopefully a tripod. So like things like this, I don't have to wait forever to upload it onto my phone and wait forever and upload it on YouTube. So yeah, I think that'd be pretty cool. And tonight I'm probably gonna do some Terraria. I'll show you how good we've got so far. Our house is gigantic, and I'm just saying we built an amazing battle arena. A slime's just about to hit me, by the way. Nope, he missed. And yeah, it's gonna be an awesome arena. I don't know why would I sit in this chair. It's so bright. Because we aren't playing Terraria right now. But guys, we'll just try to fix it up.
You can offer
yeah,
my
but
chair.
when we're able to, yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Kevin's playing some right now, and I just wanted to take this cool video to show you guys some cool sound effects. And yeah, hopefully upload it, and I'll see you guys.